Hi everyone, welcome to week 14. This week we are going to work on a couple of assignments that I think will help you get closer to making some progress on your final projects. And the first one is going to be the model text analysis. And so basically, last week you made proposals for the type of multimodal argument that you want to make for this final project. And so this is going to help you continue that work. What you're going to do is you're going to go and try to find some kind of text that is similar to what you want to make. So if you want to make a true crime podcast, then you would want to find something that is maybe a podcast, or maybe it's true crime, or maybe it's a true crime podcast, right? Like you want it to be as similar to what you want to make as possible. You can find something that's the same genre as what you want to make. You can find something that's the same medium as what you want to make. Ideally, it'll be both. Some students will find one of each and then include both of the those texts as model text in their explanatory essay. And so that's an absolute option for you. Let me show you. So, for example, when I made this poster for Comic-Con a couple years ago, I'd never made an academic research poster before. And so I was trying to figure out like, how do people design these, right? I'm not like necessarily super great at design. And so I was trying to figure out if there's a template, if there's something that looks good to me. And I was able to find this better poster template. And so this is from MIT, and they've actually improved this template. This is from 2019. They have better templates that you can use now. But I found this, and then I was able to find some sample posters that I was able to look at and analyze before I created my own. And so I talk about that a little bit in the multimodal, in the sample essay that I shared with you in the multimodal argument and explanatory essay assignment, if you wanna check these out. And so when you're doing the analysis, you'll just look through and say, like, what medium is it? What genre? What are the genre conventions it's using? All of these things are things that you'll be able to use pretty directly in your explanatory essay. And so take a little bit of time and really think about it. I think it will end up helping you in the long run. And then the other assignment that we have this week is the multimodal argument draft. And so you might be thinking, oh, well, hang on a minute. We literally just proposed these, but we only have 2 weeks of class left. And so I want to make sure that you're on track, that you're succeeding, and that next week we'll be able to start writing the essay about your multimodal argument. And so just keep in mind, I'm not going to grade this multimodal argument at any stage. I'll grade your draft, right, for completion, but I'm not going to be grading this on content with a rubric or anything like that. It's just going to be essentially a completion grade here, and then something that you'll write about for the essay. So keep that in mind. It doesn't have to be perfect. And the other thing to keep in mind is it doesn't have to be complete at this stage. It could be a script for a video or a podcast you're planning to record, or like an outline, for example. It could be a rough video that you just kind of make, first draft kind of a video that you make quickly, that you're planning on making another one maybe later. Whatever it is, I just want to make sure that you're on track, you understand the assignment, you know what you need to do, and that you're going to be able to complete it on time. So that's mostly the goal here. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck with your projects, and I will see you all next week.